Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa mide emi dụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ Ogbonuke. Ogbonuke. The etymology of Ogbonuke abụrụ ihe maka na ọ bụrụ na ị mara ihe wụ a na-esite n'aha ihe akpọrọ ihe wee mara ihe anwa bụ in details. Ihe a bụ ụzọ ihe na-abụ Ogbonuke. Enwero one single English word a ga-eji wee quantify Ogbonuke wee nye the right meaning. Therefore, for me to explain it very well for you to understand, I have to divide it into two. One, gịnị wụ ọgbọ? Your spiritual associates. Ndị gị na ha nwere okwu na mmụọ, ndị enyi gị na mmụọ, ndị gị na ha nwere ihe jikọrọ ụnụ, ndị gị na ha nwere ka ha kwuo. Agbara m ha spiritual associate. Mana uke ha na-ewetazi ọnya bụ ndị ọgbọ na-eweta uke. Then uke dịzi na ya bụ na ndị ọgbọ ga nwere ike iwetara gị nsogbu. They can bring challenges of life because of you deviated from the original plan. You deviated from the previous agreement when you are still in the material world. So coming to this gross material world, you are no longer feasible to finish the agreement. Therefore, sometimes they can be bringing one or two in order to draw your attention back to the agreement. Ndị Ogbonuke etu anyị si arụ ya na temple bụ enwere ndị Ogbonuke ndị anyị na-eke eke, nwee ndị Ogbonuke ndị anyị na-achụnyere aja chụpụrụ aja, depending n'ebe ya bụ uke si abịa. Ọ bụrụ na ndị ọgbọ gị ndị na-alụ ọrụ from the light region with positive vibrations na-adụghị ọdụ na-adụghị aka na ntị aja ka anyị na-achụpụrụ ha maka na they are not evil. Mana enwere ndị your vibrations na-ewetara negativity, ndị nke a ka anyị na-eke eke. Family emi na-edetamine ụdị ọbụ ya edetamine kwa nke a ga-eme. Anwụ na ngwọ na nkwụ na-abịa. This is what we discuss today. Believe in me, this topic will be an eye opener. This topic a ga-esi na atọ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-abụ. This topic ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ga-esi na ya nwere onwe banded with fall today. Ka ara bụ ndị niile this privileged few that are permitted to be under the influence of my voice right now. I am na onye na unu ga-enwere onwe. Yes, here is your idea. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are in the month of November. I am at the kind here. I am at I married 4 years ago. Yes. You were the kiss when I never money on us to what distance barrier. You all like them at temple, distance barrier. A giant actual, now fine about a temple. More the kiss you like money on us to what do. Makani catch schools rumbadu. Neso to go in the temple, Chuaja, go for Kubio Kunisi, this way lie all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission, and consecrated group. So I want to show you Sonia. He gave me a way chat him na WhatsApp. Make token donation to the account number. Forward to say you 3 prayer requests I gave them an altar and I go for the Kubio Kunisi. Go I got Chikotia, so the opening of the new month. Sunday swear na yaba aja again, what I want chikota yabo aja. Now their WhatsApp numbers only. As you all know, in the temple, we don't show, I didn't show you all the social media. I don't necessarily hide here, but I can tell you that you couldn't know. So I'm only interested. Kabalaga family, but we show Nigeria to one. No one has well. Chat me on WhatsApp. 0805 78 37 672. I repeat, 0805 78 37 672. Now on screen you have number. Now let's dive into today's lecture. It will not be long, but tag your friends and well wishers. Cause we na we know from the horse's mouth. Kine menka ka chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile gozie gị ma gozibiga gị oke. Ekenego m ndị niile na-join anyị na from our social media platforms. Ka ị na-join anyị na-eshi anya ka chukwu okike gozie gị ka ị na-eme nke a. Now let's proceed. Akụwago m ya na Ogbonuke, the etymology of Ogbonuke bụ na ị ga-esi, the etymology ya bụ na ị ga-esi na ihe ọbụla etu ihe si ada n'ụda wee mara ihe o minụrụ. Na-agwakwa gị na ịkọwa ya ka ọ ga-esi wee doro anya bụ na enwero singụrụ afọ oyibo a ga-eji wee kọwaa gbasara Ogbonuke. Mana mma akọwala gị ya, Ogbonuke a na-akwago n'otu west join together. Ogbo spiritual associate, uke bụ nke ha na-eweta. Now ihe na-achọ ịkọwara abịa na Ogbonuke a, Ogbonuke ndị ọgbọ ga na-eweta mpịawa azụ has in two dimensions. Those who also na-eweta ezigbo ndị enyi gị. Let me put it this way. They are good friends and they are bad friends. They are your friends, but they are bad because they are waiting for your downfall. Yes. So the approach is it differs. Ngwakwa gị na-abịa na solution anyị ji emie. Enwere ndị ọgbọ na-eweta uke ndị anyị na-achụpụrụ aja to pay for the debt, the appeasement. When they guy in a cake, we put them at the bed. We tie them because we don't want to have any strong association with them. Therefore, we put barricade. So now in the temple, this is the two ways we do Aja Ogbonuke, Mobo Olu Ogbonuke, as case may be. Now, can come out the key where we go and about Ogbonuke. In the spiritual realm, every human spirit has affiliations, association. You are mates, you are spiritual mates. Those spirits that you share common vibrations with. And when your spiritual mates are, I will point up, I'll mention few. And when you do banjegi, and when you do you wagi, and when you do mirigi, and when you do tugi, and so on and so forth. Dotaria, these people, do you know? Now, because whenever I'm lecturing, I normally use 80 experiences to portray my point for you to understand it. The same way, we human beings here on earth, we belong to various associations, various groups, the alumni and rest of them. These are people that we have come in contact with. We have a way of crossing each other's path. The same way we form associations here on earth, we belong to associations. Like if you belong to some of the associations, wherever you are doing something, you are eligible to invite them. Like me, as you all know, I'm a member of Directors Association of Movie Producers in Nigeria. Yes, ANMD. As a director of this Nollywood movie organization, whenever I'm doing something, I'm eligible to invite my fellow directors to grace my occasion. Yes, for the simple fact that now I'm gonna have members now. But you are a Nigerian. But whatever you are doing, something they will not come. You know why? You are not their member. The same way, another example, I'm a member of Oraifite, Buru the PG, Oraifite, as we speak. Now, if I'm doing something, I'm eligible to invite them to grace my occasion for the simple fact that I'm their member. If you are not an also title holder, you will never invite them, they will never come. The same way we all individually belongs to various spiritual sects and kingdoms, realms in the spiritual realm. And therefore, those your spiritual associates has some certain things in common with you based on the direction unu na-aga na ihe unu chọrọ ime achieve. Again, enwekwara ndị bụ ndị ọgbọ gị you are met but they are no more, they have passed on. O nwere ike all of you agreed that na ndị a bụ ndị ọgba nje gị na unu na-abịa n'ụwa to stay, maybe if you're a woman, to marry, have 1 or 2 kids and go back. Now, but you are now married. The reality is now down on you, and you are well loved by your husband. You are well treated, and then with other people that you have crossed their path, that gladdens her heart, that made you to begin to have a rethink that you are no longer in a hurry to go back to the spirit world. Now, what it means is that you are no longer in agreement with that yandot. Ihe ahụ unu kwekọrịtara mgbe ị ka nọ n'etiri awọrọ n'ụwa mmụọ, ihe na-abịa n'ụwa ka ị bịa mụọ nnu ọjị mụọ nwa 1 or 2 wee chighakwa azụ ya ka ị gbaa nje. Now, for a reason, you now no longer interested in going back as quick as possible. Now, these are dead members, dead colleagues, dead associates. We always like to come around you and tell you, nwanyị eke, ịdọtọzi ihe anyị kwuru, mgbafọ, ichetọzi ihe anyị kwuru, na ọbọzụ ihe anyị na-kwuru ka ị na-eme. Ha ga-ebido na-agbaghị ụta mmụọ. Ha ga-ebido na-agbaghị ụta mmụọ. Ha nwere ike na-agbaghị ụta mmụọ n'ụdị dị iche iche. Ha nwere ike na-agbaghị ụta mmụọ site n'ide ezugo ori mmụọ. Idebe ihe emeche chọba ihe na-idebere achọba. Ha nwere ike ịgbaghị ụta mmụọ site n'ịtụ ọya. Ọya na-ekwu maka ya bụ ọya a na-akpọ ọya mmụọ. Ọya amaghị ihe na-emenụ ihe a na-agwọ. Ọya amaghị ihe a na-arịa na ihe a na-agwọ. Ọrịa mmụọ. Ọrịa ọ na-abụ ejecha lab, dọkịta agbaghị na o nwere ihe afọ na lab. In fact, na ihe a na-eme given typhoid, is just 1%. Malaria is just 1%. And these things are enough ime ka ị na-aya ahụ. Enene ihe ndị ọzọ zero nwere ihe afọ na arụ gị. But you know that you are dying. Ihe abụọ ya mmụọ. Ụta mmụọ gbara agba. Ihe a ga-etiri stọdụ niile abụ ka ime megide ka ị wee gee ntị wee mee ihe ị kwesịrị ime. Ha nwekwara ike ịkpọrọ Nabachukwu. So ọ bụrụ na anyị nweta ụdị ndị ọgbanje ndị a, ife ha na-eweta bụ negativity all through. Negativity all through. Anyị nweta ụdị ndị ọgbanje a, anyị nweta ụdị ndị iyi ụwa, ụfọdụ ụgwụ ndị gị na ha nkọrọ iyi. Ịghọtara ya? N'ọka abụkwa na is an MRS. Na-enwere ike n'ụwa mbụ gị, you died prematurely, maybe as a agbọghọbịa, as a maiden. Now you now swore that in your next life, na MRS, Mrs. na ị ga-azarịrị ya. Na you don't care whether ma ị mụtaziri nwa ma ọ na-ịmụta nwa, na ihe dị interested bụ ka a sị na-egbugo Mrs. onye dị etu a ka a attach MRS na ya name. That is your name. Ihe onye chọrọ ka a enye ya. Therefore, when you now came to this world now, in this year, present earth experiencing, you are opportune to be loved, and for a reason best known to you, you decided not to heed to that particular advice or agreement you had with your ndot. Now you want to stay longer. Now some of Ndoboga, because now on the Begodo way this year met is your met, that is to all of you came to this world the same time. They are met. Ndobo. age mates. Ndị ọgbọ ga-anwa ndị gị na ha gbara ngwere agbago oke, they are going back and they were like, nwaanyị ekekere ihe ka na-eme, let's go back. When you refuse because na ịnọkwatara na ọ dịrị gị mma, they began to send punches to you. That punches might come n'ụdị dị iche iche, but they will come with negative vibrations. They can be bringing sickness, they can be bringing misfortunes, challenges of life, name them. Now, ọ bụrụ na agbapụta ụdị ihe dị etu a n'afa, those arrows that are throwing at is not palatable, and those ones are negative spirits. Some of them they did not achieve anything. They are now swore that nobody will achieve anything meaningful. They begin to throw those garbages. So because now alpha get determine whether this uke means challenges. Now when those things begin to happen, alpha get determine where is it exactly this garbages is coming from. If you cannot find out where this garbages is coming from, you will not get it right. Because it's when you find out where the garbages is coming from, you will now know. Let me give you another example. So in this case, if it's people that are bringing negativity, maybe your dead mates is bringing uke for you. Maybe their spirit of death is hovering around you. They bring in misfortunes, unexplainable sickness that is even beyond human comprehension. Now, in this kind of situation, you will tie them and do the necessary rituals that follows it. That is how we do it in the temple, and there will be massive results. Now you tie them. Yes, hard. Now, for those of them that are they are your spiritual mates, they are your age mates in the spiritual world, but they are disciplining you for not playing according to the rule. In racing, if you become first, but you do not follow your lane, you jump in another person's lane, even if you become number one, they will notify you because of infringement. Yes. So you are double. There could be a dimri, there could be a ndodu, ndolo like you. Unu niile mere agree na unu ga-abịa na unu ga-anọ n'iru ọrụ. They might decide, okay, na ha arụsigo nke ha wee chiga na nwa mmụọ. But they are there to support you, to make sure that you excel. And now, after some donkey years given to you, they find out that you did not even pay attention to answer your calling. They can begin to budala you. They can begin to bring uke to your doorstep for you to look back, for you to begin to ask questions, for you to begin to say, what is happening? Because natural doctor. If you are feeling well, you will not look doctor. Do you know? Let me use another thing to explain my point. For those of you that will say, make a point. Do you know road safety? This road safety, yes, you know them. Road safety are not evil people. Their work is, your safety is their friend. Their work is to bring harmony, to make sure that road users play according to rule. And whenever you deviate from playing according to rule, they will display you. The same thing is what your Ndobo is doing. Ndobo is your age mate to checkmate you, to make sure that those things you agreed with them no one more in the exterior world before coming to this gross material, that you stick to it, because they want you to succeed. They want you to have safe trip in this world, so that you will be able to return back in the spiritual world as a fulfilled and matured spirit. So their mission is for you to succeed. The same way road safety Their mission is for you to have a safe trip. Their mission is to make sure that Aba you are going from Onitsha, that you reach there safely. They will make sure that you are prepared. One, you prepared by keeping your vehicle in good shape. Make sure that you have those safety measures, name them the good tires, fire extinguishers, and everything is working perfectly. The aim of all this is to make sure that you have safe trip. For you, if I ask you as a Nigerian, whenever you see those safety people, you used to feel sad because you don't understand how things work. You are seeing them as their enemy. But I can tell you, my brother, my sister, those road safety officials you are seeing there is there for your own good. They are there to safeguard you. They are there to make sure that you arrive to your destination in peace and not in pieces. So they are there also to discipline you when you go wrong. So this year, Ndobo is positive one. This positive one, Ndobo, they penalize you whenever you go wrong. Example, you are called one. You refuse to answer your calling. And as Ndobo, they know that you have so many souls you will save if you go to your duty post. Now, you refuse to answer the call because you got married to a wealthy man as a woman that is providing everything to you. You are enjoying a goga. You are no longer interested to go and answer your call. How will you keep lose How will you keep their husband might even send you packing? As a man, maybe you have calling. What gladdens your heart is that you are doing very well. You are an importer, you are doing very, very, very well. They can instigate to care, misfortune, challenges of life to happen to you. Maybe your container will be seized, maybe your goods, maybe fire will cut up with you, your goods, and they burn everything to ashes. They will bring you care, or they will bring people that will defraud you and so on and so forth, in order to reduce you to zero. Because when they reduce you to zero, you begin to ask questions. By then you begin to ask questions. By then you will be told, yes, that's not any other option than to carry Hall. When I was in Abuja, I was doing very, very well. Ganyan and Bido were challenges. Yes, I had challenges with my marriage. That's why I began to ask questions. So what I want to tell you is that their marriage when they their wealth, when they health issues, and so on and so forth. What are those uke? Those uke is ihendaba. It could be life challenges, it could be sickness, it could be wedding, it could be marriage challenges, it could be wealth challenges, it could be, but they must bring something that will prepare you for body. Once everything is at the bed of roses for you, believe in me, you will not answer your calling. So they will bring those things that will be like a thorn on your flesh for you to do the needful. So if we do the deep and find out that the challenges you are facing is not as a result of negative beings, is not as a result of witches, is not as a result of negative spirits attacking you, that these challenges you are facing actually is from Yandot, malevolent spirits. Those who do to all of them, those who do bogging the Cherokee succeed, yeah. Those who do bogging the they want you to succeed. Those who do bogging the all they want you to succeed. Now, for the fact that we establish that this UK that is coming to you is not actually from the enemy camp, what you have to do is to do appeasement. Oh, then that kind of hello. In our safety, when you deviate and you did not do the right thing by keeping the road safety measure for your own good, road safety will not have any other choice than to impound your vehicle, charge you to court, commercial court, or maybe book you to go and be penalized by paying some money in the bank. Are you getting me? So by so doing, you'll be able to humble yourself. They are doing that thing not out of wickedness, but they are doing it that is to warn you. So when those safety is doing that, it's actually out of love. It's actually they want you to live and be able to take care of those people looking up to you. So, but you, as the person and a discipline, might see it that they are punishing you. But my brother, my sister, they are not actually punishing you. What they are actually doing is to warn you because they want you to succeed. That is exactly what ndị ọgbọ gị na-eme whenever they see that if they allow you to be going or behaving the way you want, that you go astray. So when this ndị ọgbọ, but they are from the positive side, when they began to discipline you, to warn you by taking away those pressures, those sweet things that is happening in your life, those things that makes you to over relax, those things that makes you to lose guard. Yes, and they know that if they allow you to be going that way, that you are going to spoil, that you will mix yourself up. They will begin to tighten up. They will begin to tighten the ends in order to bring your senses to order. So what I'm saying now is that it's deep after we determine this these challenges that is coming. Where is it coming from? Is it coming from their spiritual mates, sets that genuinely love you, that genuinely want you to succeed, like ndị mmiri, like ya ndị otu ọgbanje ọya mata na ọ bụrụ ndị mmiri anyị anaghị eke ndị mmiri eken. We don't even separate you with them. Instead, we make peace. We make peace between you and them. The same thing with ndị ọgbanje gị. Anyị anaghị eke ha eke because well, do you know that ndị ọgbanje gị actually loves you? Ya ga-eme we make a peace chụọrọ ha aja. What they find. The same way when road safety for any reason caught you for not keeping according to or playing according to rule, or keep the laid down laws of road using. When you deviate from those users acts now, and once you are caught, you will be penalized and you will be asked to go and pay the dues for disobedience, for not doing the right thing, doing the needful. For that reason, you will pay. So it's not out of hate. So it's the same thing. And remember, in my previous lectures, I have told you that earthly governance happenings is prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm. That here in Sokoto, that thing you are passing through, some of these things you are seeing on earth here is in there, in the spiritual realm. That this road safety of people, they are not your enemies. Rather, they are the people that believe that you can't spare the cane and spoil the child. They want to guide you and they want to make sure that you do the right thing for your own good. So stop seeing the Ogbonuke as the Ojo. It's because of our deep understanding that this Ndobo Newetruke, that all of them are not evil. It depends on the camp where the UK. Esi ewetia ndị ọgbọ na ewetuke. But ịmadụ go n'ihe ụfọdụ akpọ ihe afa mgbe ụfọdụ. Ọ bụrụ na ịghọtara the etymology of the thing, it might make mess of everything. You will not understand it. But now I know most of you have learned it today. Ogbonuke is two things. Ogbo newetuke. Now, what the Biafra or spiritualists will find out, this UK that is coming to you, where exactly that this UK is coming from. I don't know UK na-abịa from ndị otu gị, ndị gị na ha dị mma, ndị iyi ụwa gị, ndị mmiri gị, ndị gị na-akpọrọ gị na ha ọrụ, ndị akpọrọ ọrụ na-ewetara UK ka i wee jee n'iru ọrụ gị. It will not go well. You know why? Because they are not your enemies. There's no point trying to barricade them because they came in peace. So what you have to do is to be at peace with them, pay their dues, be at peace, make their appeasement, pay your dues, pay your levy. The same way road safety, when they see you as a defaulter, they will charge you, give you notes, demand note to go to bank and pay, and bring the receipt back, confirmation receipt back, before they will now release their vehicle to you. For you, you will not be happy because actually they delayed you from furthering your journey. So what I'm saying in essence is that road safety is for your own safety. The same when Ogbuefi is for your own safety. Now recognize them, but find out before you as a spiritualist, find out where the UK is coming from. That will determine whether it's going to do UK. You will go and carry some items for appeasement, some items to pay price, to go and pay it and see that this price I'm paying is because of so person. That we are using it. Yes, he can do that. Then, but when I go on battalion, I find he get Ogbonuke. I am about Ogbonuke. Ndị a bụ ndị anyị ga-achụpụrụ aja bupia n'ezi ebe anyị na-achụrụ ha aja. Anyị nwa na temple anyị nwere ebe ọtụtụ aja. Yes, n'ebe ọtụtụ aja aka anyị ga-ebupia. Ịghọtara ya? Anyị nwere ebe designated place for ọtụtụ aja. And I ruo ebe atụ onye bụ aja. Then ọ bụrụkwazie if the Alpha reveal that these people, this UK that is coming from, is actually from your mates, but your dead mates. They gonna have web you, but they have died. They gonna have web you, but you are for a fallout with them. They gonna have web you, but they are bringing negative things. They want you to start coming home for no reason, maybe because of their previous agreements you had with them. And in this case, you don't want them to keep pressurizing you to come back. Be careful, to put barricade because they are not there. They are working in negative dimension. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 78 37 672. I repeat, 0805 78 37 672. Then let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu Oke pụrụ ime ihe be with you all. May you be protected, may you be favored, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.